Hello everyone! This is Robin Cook from Cook to Flourish, and I would love to share with you some goodies that I found today at the farmer's market. So maybe some of you have been out to the market today and perhaps you strolled past the booths and saw some very interesting foods that you maybe aren't sure what to do with. So I wanted to share with you some of my unique finds and wanted to give you some inspiration on how to enjoy them. So one of the first things that I saw today is something that I'm sure we're all very familiar with, especially this time of year, June, July, the blackberries. Aren't these gorgeous? So what are some ways that you like to enjoy blackberries? Personally, I'm excited to throw some of these onto a salad with some wonderful balsamic dressing, perhaps with some fresh spring greens from the market, or you could put some of these in a smoothie, do maybe a frozen kale and blackberry smoothie would be fantastic, full of antioxidants and nutrients. You could even do some blackberry infused water. If you have any fresh mint at home, you could do some blackberry and mint. That would be a wonderful combination. So we have some beautiful blackberries. Then we also have a wonderful cucumber here, super simple, but cucumbers are great, of course, for slicing, just dipping in hummus, but they also are good in a smoothie. And in our Cook to Flourish cookbook, we love doing a cucumber and fresh mint smoothie. So you might want to give that a try. Very refreshing for the summer months. Then what else do we have in here? We have some purple cabbage. Isn't it beautiful? So we have a beautiful purple, black, blue theme full of an amazing antioxidants. So red cabbage, of course, you can do it into coleslaw, which is famous this time of year, but you could even roast cabbage, which is one of my favorite ways to enjoy it. So you can slice it, you can put some avocado oil on there, some garlic powder, sea salt, pepper, maybe a little bit of parsley. Fantastic, my friends. You gotta try some roasted red cabbage. What else do we have? Well, going along with that theme of purple, we have a purple kohlrabi. Have you guys ever tried kohlrabi before? It is wonderful. It's kind of like eating a broccoli stalk. So it's pretty mild in flavor. It's very crunchy, wonderful nutrients in the kohlrabi too. So it has a thick skin. So you're gonna wanna wash it, peel the skin, and then you can have some fun. You can shred it into a salad. You can shred it into coleslaw. You could chop it and add it to a salad. You could chop it and roast it. You could slice it and dip it. So many great ways that you can enjoy kohlrabi. Then let's see, what else do we have in here? Ooh, we have some pea shoots. These are from Where the Red Fern Grows Farms. So pea shoots here, you can use them like microgreens. So you can sprinkle them on top of some avocado toast. You could even put them onto a salad and use them as your salad base. Very tender, very mild in flavor, wonderful source of chlorophyll too. All right. Oh, this is a fun one. Have you ever seen a striped zucchini before? Isn't this fun? So I'm excited to slice him and put him in the oven. It was roasting. It's really, really good. You could also shred this into Italian dishes, especially if you're doing like a gluten-free Italian casserole. Some striped zucchini or regular zucchini would be wonderful in there as well. So do you have a time for another one? Let's do one more here. We have a purple potato. So you can do a medley of roasted potatoes. You can do purple potatoes, red potatoes, and some white potatoes, toss them together in avocado oil, some fresh rosemary, fresh garlic. Oh, so, so delicious. So my friends, thank you so much for joining me here for a little sneak peek at what we got at the farmer's market today, featuring some of my favorite farmer friends, Wolf Creek Farms, Where the Red Fern Grows, Flavor Market, Butterfly Fields, and other wonderful farmer friends at the downtown Lee's Summit Market. So God bless you guys. Happy cooking and have an amazing weekend. Bye-bye.